Alina Habba, born March 25, 1984, is an American lawyer and managing partner of Habba, Madaio Associates, a law firm based in Bedminster, New Jersey, with an office in New York City. Since 2021, Habba has been a legal spokesperson for former U.S. President Donald Trump and a senior advisor for MAGA, Inc., Trump Super PAC. Habba and her two siblings were born in Summit, New Jersey. Their parents were Chaldean Catholics who emigrated from Iraq to the United States in the early 1980s to escape persecution in their home country. Her father, Sod F. Habba, is a gastroenterologist. Habba graduated from Kent Place School in 2002. She attended Lehigh University, graduating in 2005 with a bachelor's degree in political science. Between 2005 and 2007, Habba worked in the fashion industry, accessories production and marketing with executives at Marc Jacobs. According to her, though she enjoyed the fashion industry, she decided to attend law school for financial reasons. She obtained a Juris Doctor from the Widener University Commonwealth Law School in 2010. After finishing law school, Habba was a law clerk to Eugene J. Cody Jr., then presiding judge of the Civil Superior Court in Essex County, New Jersey, from 2010 to 2011. Habba began private practice in September 2011, when she joined as an associate at Tompkins, Maguire, Walkenfeld and Barry, LLP, where she worked from September 2011 to February 2013. From February 2013 to March 2020, she was an equity partner and the managing partner of Sandilands Zeitel LP, a 7-attorney firm formed by her then-husband in 2013. In March 2020, Habba left to start her own firm. The firm, Habba, Madaio Associates LLP, employs 5 people. Along with the firm's Bedminster, New Jersey office, Habba has an office in Manhattan. In July 2021, Habba represented Siggy Flicker, a former member of the Real Housewives of New Jersey, who alleged that Facebook had disabled her account for wishing Melania Trump a happy birthday. Habba wrote a letter to Facebook, which Facebook appeared to ignore. Also in July 2021, Habba represented Cesar DeParco, a vitamin supplement entrepreneur, in a federal court case where she filed a lawsuit against Portuguese journalists for revealing his close connections to the far-right Chega party in Portugal. Habba had never done legal work for Trump when, in September 2021, he hired her as part of his legal team, replacing several well-established lawyers who had worked for Trump for many years, but had withdrawn their services, including Mark Kasowitz, Charles Harder, Joanna Hendon, Mark Saroff Mukasey, Jay Sekulow, and Lawrence S. Rosen. Quickly after her hiring, Habba filed a $100 million lawsuit on Trump's behalf against the New York Times, 3 Times reporters, and Trump's niece, Mary L. Trump. Her lawsuit was dismissed by the judge for a fail as a matter of constitutional law. Habba also worked on Trump's behalf when he was sued for defamation by Summer Zervos. Trump had called Zervos a liar in 2017, after she accused him of kissing her and groping her, without her consent, when she was a contestant on Trump's reality TV show, The Apprentice. In October 2021, Habba filed a Trump countersuit against Zervos, claiming she was trying to stifle Trump's right to free speech. Shortly thereafter, in November 2021, Zervos discontinued the lawsuit. Habba represented Trump in a legal case where he was being investigated for falsely representing the value of his assets on various statements of net worth that banks required him to file annually to ensure that Trump had sufficient funds to repay their loans. She unsuccessfully appealed a court order requiring Trump and his children to give sworn testimony about the valuations they signed for when filing those returns. New York's Attorney General, Letitia James, personally questioned Trump on August 10, 2022. Habba was present during the deposition and led the defense. Trump refused to answer any questions during the 4-hour deposition, pleading the United States Constitution's Fifth Amendment over 450 times. In 2022, Trump's Save America Political Action Committee paid Habba's firm almost $2 million in legal fees. In January 2024, Habba predicted that Associate Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh, who the president fought for, who the president went through hell to get into place, would step up to support Trump's case in Trump v. Anderson, which will decide whether Trump is disqualified from ballot access per the 14th Amendment. Habba disclaimed, meaning that justices like Kavanaugh would rule for Trump on account of being pro-Trump, claiming instead that they would because they're pro-law, because they're pro-fairness. Habba served as lead attorney for the E. Jean Carroll v. Donald J. Trump trial that began on January 16, 2024. Over the course of 3 days, presiding federal judge Lewis Kaplan repeatedly reprimanded Habba for her methods of cross-examining Carroll and introducing evidence. A jury awarded Carroll $83.3 million in damages against Trump on January 26, 2024. She spoke on the final night of the 2024 Republican National Convention, leading up to the introduction of Trump. In August 2024, she slammed Adam Kinzinger for speaking out against Trump during the 2024 Democratic National Convention and told him to sit the hell down. Habba has described herself as very religious. She has identified as a Catholic. Habba was married to Matthew White from 2011 to 2019. She married Greg Rubin in 2020. They live in Bernardsville, New Jersey. Rubin is a businessman in the parking lot management industry. Habba has 3 children. Donald Trump on Sunday announced the position his attorney and spokesperson Alina Habba will serve in the president-elect's upcoming administration. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.